Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. Just letting you know that we have in this gorgeous 2021 Chevy Malibu. It's at our Waukesha Byrider location and it's ready to go home with you today. If you're looking for a great vehicle with great features, stop in and see us. Let's take a look on the inside. For starters, let's look inside of the trunk. This thing has huge storage space. Great for shopping and carrying things. Summertime is coming, so great room for bikes and things to take to the beach with you. A super spacious back seat. Rooms for whether it's an adult or a child back here. As well as look on the inside. All of these features that you have on the steering wheel, as well as the space on the inside, nice and clean. It is a push start, nice low miles, great screen. Nice clear backup cam. So if you're looking for a great vehicle or one of these other amazing SUVs, vans, or two-doors, stop in and see us at Byrider Waukesha. Our location is W226 South 1700 Highway 164, or you can give us a call at 262-506-3131. But definitely stop in and see us for this beautiful 2021 Chevy Malibu today.